No one's gonna fix them for you, man. You're not special. You're not the only one who has problems. Fix every day of my life. Walang day na perfect eh. Pero every day dapat may na-fix ka. Every day dapat may naayos ka. Kasi walang perfect na araw, diba? Yung mga future problems mo, you're just one away of doing a solution for your future problems. Create a solution also. Everything that is happening, everything that is within your control, make a solution. Fix them. No one's gonna fix them for you, man. You're not special. You're not the only one who has problems. Everyone has problems. Gawa ka lang solusyon. Galawan mo lang ng galawan, ng galawan, ng galawan, ng galawan, ng galawan, ng galawan. Hanap solusyon. Hanap na ibebenta online. Hanap ng i-comment sa mga buy and sell. Kung papanood mo to, meron ka internet. Gamitin mo yan para maghanap ng pera. Para maghanap ng solusyon na kailangan mo sa kahit na anong ginagawa mo na meron ka pang kailangan ayusin. Ano mo muna sinabi?
Paano ko sinabi? Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin yun out loud. Tinype ko sa phone ko. Painputin ko. Oh sir, patulong kami sa kasi just vibing lang kami dito.
Parang timeline. From that guest, airing on a Sunday. Dami nyo. Ano yung fini-feature natin, nag-i-invite sa sarili nila.
Okay, kailangan yan.
I'm built for this shit.
Pak, balik ka pa, nag-heal ka pa. Diba? Nag-heal ka pa. Ginang anong nag-all need ka agad. Pero di ka namatay. Fix every day. May it be finances, may it be something at work, workmate, attitude, relationships, something with your car, something broke down, that busted bulb in your house. Na bad trip ka lagi, ang dilim naman dito. Alam mo may pundidong bombilya. Buy that bulb, bro. That's a lesson for myself. I hope ay nakuha ka rin. Kita-kits tayo ulit. Keep on winning.